Alright, so here is a Hampton Bay Huntington 2 ceiling fan that I got off of eBay last year. It is from May of 1999. And I know a lot of people give these fans crap since they're cheaply made and the blade brackets, sag due to the weight of the blades. And despite all that, I actually happen to like these a lot because they're childhood fans. Since, for those who don't know, my aunt has a black Huntington 2 installed in her kitchen. I do have a couple videos of that fan. And you also might notice that I'm using a tripod. I got a tripod for Christmas, so I figured that I'd use this for my fan videos. And also, since this is something new, I'd figured that I'd give a few shots of this fan. Alright, now with that out of the way, I'm going to demonstrate the fan for you. There's the light. And also, what I forgot to mention is that I'm using my phone to record, and I am using my iPad to record the audio, since the audio on my phone is not all that great. Alright, now I'm going to turn the fan on, starting the flow. And this fan is a bit shaky due to the way that it's mounted. I think I probably said that too much. And it also makes a humming noise. It kind of has a fast low speed, but whatever, I don't really care. Alright, now I'm going to turn it to medium. As you can see, it really starts shaking. But it also blows a decent amount of air on medium. Alright, so I'm going to turn it to high. I'm going to keep it on high for a few seconds because this thing shakes really bad. Alright, and there you have it. That is my Hampton Bay Huntington 2 ceiling fan, and I hope you enjoyed this video.